Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Zinaida Sinugaya. I am married. I have 3 kids, age 13, 9, and 2. I am a college graduate. I am an ex-abroad. I work in Lebanon for 3 years and 3 months. My employers are a couple. My works at home are cleaning the house, do the laundry, cooking, and car washing. And I work in Hong Kong for 1 year and 3 months for a couple and 2 kids, age 11 and 14 at the time. My works are cleaning the house, cooking, do the laundry, ironing, and car washing, and also taking care of the kids. I did not finish my contract because my employer gave me an early termination due to a change of family's needs, and my employer gave me a reference letter for my future employer.